One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And we've got the coupe here today, the 250. My camera is thinking out of battery, even though I did it. And I'm gonna do a quick walk around just to show you what we've got here. I left this running to where I'd warm it up, but I'll just give you a quick walk around. I couldn't even make the video with the camera. I did leave this open, however, to where I can show you under the hood. It's super clean, super nice car. Been sitting for a long time. This and that to do with it. I've got the air cleaner and all that. Underneath, I'm gonna do this with the Google Glass because you might as well see. Hang on, look at this. This kind of stuff's all gonna come off. Wish I had before and afters, but my video will have to make do. And over in here and stuff, we're gonna clean all this up. We're gonna make it look good. Basically, it's a barn find type car that I found, and then I left set. If you know my place much, I left it set there right by my place. Look at this. You got to make a choice on this stuff, and it's so cheap nowadays. Just tear it off. Get rid of it. It ain't worth having. It's just garbage. My worst spot on the body is right here, where it's starting in around that seal. All these kind of seals are going bad on it. No worse than it was when I got it. It's just sitting. It's a clean car. The rusty, the trunk is not rusty. That's what I was trying to say there. Little areas where water may have set, but overall, there's not a rust hole or rust spots. It's just starting to get some corrosion. So it needs to be taken care of now, and somebody needs to do something. Stuff like this, man, I got moss growing in it. Cool stuff. Because it's a pure, clean car. That's what I heard. You need to have clean air for the moss to live. I don't know if that's true. I'm not a mossologist. A mossologist, I tell you. Okay, so that's what we've got. That's where we are. I'm going to close the hood to start. Actually, I'm just going to leave it open and start there. And that's that. Okay, so awesomely, we got music up here. So let's get this going to where I don't get some kind of a copyright claim with the music. That'll take care of it, won't it? Now we can't hear it. All right. Now for the fun part. The car's gonna look totally different, man. Now, one thing I wish I could do is have it running. Look at all the dirt pouring out of there. This trim here, once you get it all wet, come back and get the trim straight on, and you can really get the dirt and grime out of there. There's going to be clear coat leaving this car, like right there, gone. But it's just no other way to get it nicely clean. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, to where we have a nice job, is I've done this, and as I did it, I started thinking, you know what? I'd like to do the underneath this time before I get too far along, where it's not soaking wet. So, with that in mind, here we go. See the pennies? I dropped those off for the kid to find. She thinks that it's falling from heaven or something. I don't know if you can see all that grease coming off, but that piece in there is going to look totally different. Basically, a granny pad with the front of it. Yeah, it's all silver now. I'm going to take these off for a minute while I do this. Get all this too. Actually, I'm going to show you right in there. Watch that bottom of that motor. Hope you can see this. Oh man, that's awesome. Look at this. Look at the difference. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, back to it. We're wet right now, but as you can see, it's a lot different under here. You see silver everywhere. I can see all the areas I missed, and I'm going to hit them up soon. But moving right along. Yeah? we better pick out what we can. Kind of messier than I thought. Yucky. Always have to do that. Are we done in here, you think, or?
Huh?
Are we done in here, you think, or what?
I didn't get too much of it. I had to scratch.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what, I just want to do 5 minutes out here real quick.
Okay.
If even that. Look at this. Yeah, buddy. You detail them like this, you're guaranteed to get something inside. Just try to make it not be too much. All right, so here we are. New day, new thing. Tow truck's here. And I'm going out to look at this car. We did a lot of work yesterday. This isn't a process that takes a long time, but if you're trying to make money on the car you're selling or get it to look the best, well, as you can see, it looks a lot different. Hubcaps and all, it's a lot different. Now, the clear coat or whatever on this paint is burnt off on top. So there's going to be a little bit of not too cool of a finish there. There's a lot of clear coat left on the sides. They're going to look pretty good. But everything will definitely be more even by the time we're done. I'm thinking I'm going to start on the trunk here. We got a wool pad and a not super aggressive compound, but aggressive enough, I believe. Honestly, just wanting to get any loose stuff off, make it look as good as we can. Be careful with this stuff because this isn't your dual orbital type of a thing. What's the pieces that weren't coming very clean? This stuff?
Yeah.
It'll definitely make it look more even.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not gonna, a lot of this will come off too when we wash it.
Yeah.
And I have no problem using extra wax for this extra polish.
Okay.
It's just,
Yeah.
it's needed.
Yeah.
Otherwise it just takes more paint off than you can.
Yeah.
I mean, we wouldn't exactly do our Beamer like that.
Huh?
I mean, we're not exactly going to do our Beamer like that. But these things, dude,
Yeah.
nobody buffs this. But I think, in my opinion, it's a lot better. It's gonna give them a better look.
Yeah.
It makes a little, I don't know, it adds some depth, don't it?
Makes it look more even, you know, a little bit darker color. But
We have a
what?
water.
Water?
Yeah, some kind of cup or bottle of water.
Yeah.
More even. I like that. That's a good description. More even. Yeah. I like that description. Right?
Yeah.
Actually, we got that. Just spray that on here.
Huh?
Just spray. I didn't think of that.
Just spray?
Yeah. Give me more.
Oh.
I like you. Oh. Water's off, huh?
No, water's on. It's just, you know, it's not on.
Oh, yeah. Duh. Duh. I was thinking, wow, there was a lot more yesterday.
Want the squeegee?
No. Yeah, it's not a perfect answer to how it's going to look. It'll look even better, but I like it. A lot more even.
Yeah.
There's obviously less paint on it, but can you move that? Yeah, no, the seats look good.
Yeah.
They look better than I expected, actually. Get a little recording of some buffing going on.